guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and a crochet hook in size 4.25 millimeters. Start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 10 plus 4. So I'll chain 34, for row 1 on the 5th chain from the hook I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 8, then I'll skip the next 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through the 10th chain I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Again I'll chain 8, I'll skip the next 9 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and through the 10th chain I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop, then through the same chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Again I'll chain 8, I'll skip the next 9 chains, and through this 10th chain, which is our last chain, I'll make 3 double crochet. Now I'll chain 1, then through the same chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around, I'll chain 4, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet through that 1 chain loop. I'll chain 4. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Again I'll chain 4. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 4. Now right here through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4. Now through that 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Now right here 2 rows below we have this 4 chain loop and this 8 chain loop, and right there 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet, and this will lock these 2 chains from our previous row. I'll chain 3, then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, again 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, then through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 3, again 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 3, then through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 3. So we just repeat this for our pattern. I actually have a edging stitch with a similar pattern, with the same pattern actually, somewhere in the playlist of trim edges and border stitches. So now row 4 I'll repeat row 1. So to my work around I will chain 4, with 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 8, now right here through this next shell, through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 8, now again through this next shell, through a 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So I repeat this. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5 we repeat row 2. So I'll turn my work around, then I'll chain 4, now through that 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, I'll chain 4, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 4, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 4, through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6, which is the third row of pattern, we repeat row 3. So I'll turn my work around and I'll chain 4. Now right there through that 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet, chain 3, now 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet, we lock these chains from our 2 previous rows, I'll chain 3, Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, again 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, then through the same 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 3, again 2 rows below I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, then through this last 1 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through the same 1 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So here for the pattern we just need to repeat 3 rows. See here, from rows 1 to 3. For row 4 I repeated row 1, for row 5 row 2, and for row 6 I repeated row 3. I really like this pattern. It's very simple and very easy to make, and it still looks very nice. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.